Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make blow dart glass smashers. Let's start with the blow gun. Now you can make this one of two ways. This is actually a combination of two thick paper tubes. The one is about a 1/2 inch inner diameter. Then the other one is just a little bit larger so that it fits snugly into each other. Now, after I've made this, I have painted it orange. Or another way you can make this is by using PVC pipe and either painting it or wrapping it in colored duct tape, maybe making it camouflage, for a cool effect, and works really well. Now the glass smasher blow dart itself is simply a cone shape made up of a diagonally rolled Post-it note. Then, to make sure it stays sealed, I've wrapped it in Scotch tape. Now I've taken a machine screw and I put it in the bottom. Now you have to twist it in, because even though there's a small hole in the bottom of the cone, the screw won't just slide in. You'll have to twist the screw in. And for more of a secure effect, I've put inside onto the screw super glue, and you can even add a small amount of clay or putty if you need to help it stabilize. So now, of course, once you roll the Post-it note, it's going to be a little bit larger than what you need it to be. So what I did was I put it down into the blow gun, traced around it, cut it off with a pair of scissors. That way it fits nice and snug, but not too snug that it won't come out. Then you aim at your target. I missed. Let's try this again. And you break the glass. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.